All right, another design here. I already revolved this one. It's a little bit chunky, but some people are doing Yoda's lightsaber, which is a little bit chunkier. A little bit shorter design. I purposely was trying to make it kind of big, but then when I revolved it, I actually kind of like the look of it. Um, I want to show a different grip style here to what I've been doing in the other videos where I've been like extruding across. One thing that people like doing is uh, a pattern on there. All right. Um, and also, these are all circular shapes. You might want to get some more geometric shapes in there, like hexagons, octagons. That can have kind of a cool effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plane, tangent to surface, parallel to plane. All right, tangent to this surface. And it doesn't matter the plane for this one. I'll put a tangent to that plane. And luckily it went up there. I should have done it the other order. I should have clicked the plane first and then the surface. But it still worked out, okay? So I'm going to start a sketch here. Now for this one, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a kind of a checkerboard hexagon pattern up the side of it. So I'm going to start with a polygon, six-sided. Hexagons are kind of my default here. I'm going to start one of them on here. All right, I'm going to get it. I'm going to dimension it here. Let's see. I should probably 0.07. That's a little small. Let's do 0.1. All right. Maybe a little bigger even. Let me make this. Oops. I want to move the edge of it up a bit. Let's see here. I gotta change my view. View, visual style, shaded with hidden edges. Um, yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna put in this geometry. Let's see. I need a line here. I need a line to reference. I'm gonna do what's called a construction line. All right. So the construction line is a little bit hard to see. I'm gonna dimension the bottom point of this above this. Actually, let me move this thing up. Delete that dimension really quick. Let me try bringing this out. Gotta move this hexagon. Strength removed. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Gotta redraw this. Alright. There we go. Move it up a little bit. Change the size. Make it a little bigger. Yeah, that'll be good. Pull it up. I want to get that. Actually, let me put a point right there. Let me lock that point. Oops. Lock that point. Alright, I'm going to dimension this. The whole point here is to be able to dimension that so I know what it is. 0.01, that's a little low. Let's go 0.02. Actually, 0.01 will be alright because we're going to put the other one. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw another hexagon. Let me make this vertical. There we go. Everything's nice and vertical. Now, I'm going to draw another hexagon, but I'm going to start it lined up with this edge. Alright, so you see what's going on here. Got to dimension it. We'll make it the same size. Alright, and then we got to dimension that point to this point. It's going to be a little bit hard. Oh, come on. Go this point to this point. Point 2. Oops. Point 02. Alright. On hit. Finish sketch. Alright. And now I'm going to extrude that. Alright, I'm going to extrude it down. Actually, we'll have to go, I guess, asymmetric. And then I just adjust these till I want to make sure I'm into the material here. That's too high. Still a little too high. Alright. Okay. Alright. So I got starting to a grip here. So what I've done here is I've made a pattern, right? Now I'm gonna rectangular pattern this shape. Gotta find an edge to send it that way. So I don't have an edge. So I need to put a line on here. Alright, let me go back to this sketch. Just gotta put a line in here. Just needs to be a horizontal line. Gotta make that visible. Rectangular pattern, that up that direction. Oh shoot. Cut that off. Gotta make sure I get the whole thing rectangular. Oh, I see. Alright, so here's a trick. This extrusion, you gotta do it as a new solid. Alright? And then you can rectangular pattern the whole thing. Alright. Now spacing here. Let's try 0.1 and see what it looks like. Let's zoom in here. We gotta get the spacing right. No, not enough. Let's try 0.2. Too far. 0.15. Okay. 0.15 is right on each other. We want a space of 0.02 between them. So 0.17. Perfect. Gives us exactly what the spacing we want. Number. We're just going to eyeball this. 12. Looks like it's going to put us right into the other side of the grip, which is good. Alright. You can see them in there. Alright, so now we're going to circular pattern this. 6. Boom. Now we have this sweet grip. Turn this work plane off. Change my view. And there it is. Now I don't know why I didn't put edges along that bottom. Alright, so now we have a different style grip. I don't know about in between those. I might have to do something. Something looks a little weird there, but not bad. Alright. Just a different way to draw a grip. You do a pattern, rectangular pattern it up the surface, circular pattern it around. Alright, so just another alternative idea. Might be good. Watch this. 3D model, start sketch, view, within edges. I want to add something in here. Polygon. Could be a little wacky. Alright, so there's blocks or something in there, kind of break up that space. Anyhow, alright, I'm going to stop it there.